Hello and welcome. Well, as you can probably see here, we are officially done. So this is what I'm about to show you is how the house turned out and how everything looks. So that is one side of the house. That's how it turned out, nice and simple, nothing crazy. Let me show you the back. This is how this side turned out. The person who bought the house wanted actual gravel around the house instead of mulch, and I personally like that myself because mulch to me is like a buffet for all the bugs and critters. So rock is, I just like it. I like the sound of it when you walk on it, so that's what we decided to do. See the crunch crunch? Since we're outside, I'll show you the inside here real quick. That's the mechanical room, heating and air unit. You have a big old 50-gallon water heater, because that's what I like to put in my homes, so you actually can take a long shower. And then this room is vented. You can see the vent right there, so it's conditioned, I mean. And the power box right there, the electrical panel, and some leftover paint I left for them. So let's get out of here. Nothing crazy over here, just a little bit on the dirt on the bottom from the water splashing. That was before the gutters got installed. And then this side here, last episode you saw this was all dug up. So the power company finally came out and gave me power after 5 weeks of waiting. So they were so backed up, I had to wait 5 weeks. That is just madness, craziness. And see, this is the gravel around the house. Like I said, I love this. Some people prefer mulch, I like the gravel. I put some of that pretty rock in between it. And I started here with the stone brick, kind of adorned it. And a couple steps here, walking steps. Just for some character. People can put some flowers on top of that or something like that. So that's how that looks. Here's the walkway from this side. And there's the driveway. Alright, let's go inside. So this is my baby. It's officially done. So let me show you here. I got all the lights on just so the light is better. Tongue and groove on the ceilings, pine trim throughout the whole house. That floor is a vinyl tongue and groove. I absolutely love this floor. So let's get here. I'll show you the agenda in a second. My little whiteboard, but that's how the kitchen turned out. Not bad, not bad at all. I absolutely love it. And if you watch the other episode, you'll see exactly how much this kitchen cost. So that's the beauty of this channel. I show all these prices, which not a lot of people do, but I do, and this is what I'm going to keep doing from now on, since this is still fairly a new channel. So the opening you see for a fridge, it's 36 inches, so you can have a nice fridge in there. Regular appliances, no custom anything, just regular stuff you can buy from a store, so it's nice and easy to get. And you can see the shininess. I put granite in this house everywhere, in the kitchen and the bathrooms. Stainless steel, everything. Just try to match it, make it look good. And I put the little knobs here, so everything kind of matches. See the doorknobs? So I try to match basically these things. This is why I love what I do. I absolutely love what I do. I get to play. It's like a big grown-up version of the Sims game or all the other video games. I just do this basically for a living, and I help people buy affordable housing. So, and speaking of affordable, the next episode I'm going to talk about how much this house actually cost to build. Everything, including land, all the fees, plumbing, water, sewer, everything. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And then the next project is actually going to be a very small house. So that should be fun and interesting. But see, I love how this turned out. I love what I do, I really do. So here we go. 5 weeks for power, as I said. That was just insane. It never takes that long. Usually takes about a week or so. Driveway was $2,400, and that is 10 by 44. So that driveway that you see out there, that was $2,400. And then this thing here, once again, I like how this turned out. Everything matches color-wise. It's nice and simple, nothing crazy. So that was, what was that, 380? Yep, 380 bucks. So that stone was 250 bucks, which is half a pallet. Usually a pallet of this stuff is about 500 bucks. It depends where you are. You got rock, which is 80 bucks a ton. I brought that in my little truck over there. And then the edge brick on the side, which was 50 bucks. So the whole thing was 380 bucks for that walkway. Not bad, huh? Not bad at all. And I think it turned out great. So let me show you the little bedroom first, since I'm walking this way. I need some furniture in here because it's echo. So see, you got the big trim, baseboard trim, that vinyl tongue and groove on the floor. Everything, once again, I try to match everything. And it's just, like I said, I love this. I love all these stages of building, and I love how this turned out. See all my little things here? The covers, those stupid things are not cheap. They're like, some of them are like $6, $7, $8 a piece. The standard ones, the plain vanilla ones, literally the vanilla color, they're like 99 cents. But I like to put those in my homes if I do a house this style. It just makes it look cool. I like that. So as you can see, the vents, the whole house is, you got the heating and air system. So here, this is the granite I talked about. Once again, try to match everything, door handles to the fixtures. The pooping station. If this was my house, I would put this hickory stuff that I used for the cabinets above the toilet, just so it looks better and you got some extra storage. And then obviously you try to match the mirror to whatever people like. I never put mirrors in my homes unless somebody really wants one, but whoa, focus camera. So that's this bathroom has a tub. It still needs to be kind of cleaned, but it's clean enough. See, once again, try to match stuff. The other bathroom has a walk-in shower, and we'll get there. And what I'm standing in, once again, I love putting windows in my bathrooms. So that's usually what I do. Even if it's a small window, it's still better than nothing. This area that I was just standing in, that's the stackable washer dryer. Plenty of space, and you can maybe stick a small vacuum next to it. And see that thing that's sticking out? That goes straight outside. That's your vent for the dryer. So if you design a house, this was my own design. If you design it right, you don't have to have these long venting pipes going all through the house. So I usually try to put stuff right next to the exterior wall so I can vent it easier. And it's kind of hard to see with the light hitting it, but you got all the connections and everything right there. And that's the little switch. There's a light in there. Oh, camera. This focus is weird. Once again, my kitchen that I absolutely love. And let's get to the so-called master. This house is small. It's 930 square feet, but it will fit a king-size bed. That's the master. This window I didn't have to put in, but I just like light in the house. Plus, it kind of shows you what's going on that side of the house. And some cross ventilation. There's the fan again. These things, what was it, 69 bucks or 59? I can't remember. But nothing fancy, just regular stuff you can buy from a store. And a 4 foot by 4 foot window. Kind of sun is in this area here, but You can see who's coming up to your house, I guess, and you can see the beautiful mountains that we got here. So, like I said, I love this little house. Focus. There we go. Walk into the bathroom. More pine doors. Let's close this door. See, this is the walk-in shower, and it's got a little sitting situation in it. So if you have any kind of knee or hip issues or back issues, or if you're older, it's easy to get in and out of. And this is kind of what I do. I do a blank canvas so people can put a shower curtain or a glass door, whatever they want, and once again try to match everything. So this tub was $3.99, 400 bucks. Let me walk in that tub so I get a little bit better picture. Once again, that vinyl stuff throughout the whole house because it's easy to clean and you don't have to worry about moisture. And ever since I discovered that vinyl tongue and groove, I absolutely love it. Can't recommend it enough. Window again over the toilet, as you can see, for venting. Granite. That is a 30-inch cabinet. But it's a kitchen cabinet, believe it or not, so it's actually 24 inches deep. So you can see there's space here that's easy to clean, and there's a little bit more room that you can put your stuff on here. Once again, if this was my house, I would have like one of those openable medicine cabinets that you can put stuff inside of. That's what I would have done here. So, and here is the closet. (930 square feet), and is that focused? I don't know if that's focused. Now it's focused. So that's 930 square feet, and this is the closet that you get. That's one side of it. If you watch the other episode, you know what this is. This is all the vents and stuff from the heating and air. Here's the other side of that closet. Camera doesn't want to focus. That's the entry into the attic where the spaghetti monster lives. If you watch the other episode, you know what that is. I'm a big nerd. Okay, so let's leave the bathroom and the closet. As you can see how I laid stuff out. So there's not much wasted space. You go from one room to the other. Once again, this is where the TV would be. That's where I put all the plugs. And you can have kind of an L-shape kind of a couch situation, maybe coffee table right here, and maybe even put something on that wall over there, cabinets wise. They have a lot of cool stuff at IKEA. I mean, if this was my house, I would definitely get crazy with cabinets. Just add some character to the house. So that's it. I'll end, I guess this time we'll end in the kitchen. Obviously one of the favorite rooms in the house. But I love it. So thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next episode, where it's the reveal of the total price of this thing. And then it will be the next project after this, which is, it's very small. It's less than half the size of this. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.